run perfect. And I'm going to be taking the engine completely off my go-kart and fixing it here. So first, we're gonna clean this place up a little because it's a pretty big mess. Let's go, kart. Look at all this. This is staying on this because I'm gonna be using this. It is so cold right now, guys. I am actually shivering, like I'm not even joking. Oh my, this is from me soldering on my C parts. I'm gonna get something. I don't want to touch all that. And boom. We're gonna see if this light works. I wish it did, but I'm pretty sure it doesn't. I mean, it's got like the teeniest bit of light. So that's all I needed. Yeah. Plug our heater in and it's on. Oh, that's so nice. That's so nice. Oh. I really don't like you. Well, we finally got it out. Throttle cable off from in here and here. Oh my gosh, guys. I can't even tell you how long this has taken. I started at 4. Guess what time it is? 5. It's literally, it's 5:01 on my watch. Oh my goodness, though, guys. This shows that I really am a true worker. Look at this. Look at my pits. Look at my hands. Look at my sweatshirt. Everything. But now, these has to come in and that. And yeah, so that's the next thing. I'm gonna just snap. And here we go. It is actually way later because I went in, changed jackets. I ate dinner, which you could guess what I got. I was so excited when I heard we were getting it. So yeah, guys, here the engine is. I need to take off my exhaust. So we gotta go get that wrench. I got it. I also got a multi-tool. It's a cool jacket. I also got a multi-tool. So guys, I rarely work on engines that are off. What the heck is wrong? I barely work on engines that are off a go-kart, so this is gonna be way easier for me. Not even joking. This will probably be like the first time I've ever worked on an engine that's not on a car or a bike or a dirt bike. But yeah, so we're taking out these bolts. Hopefully no one turns off the lights while I'm out here. I really don't like you. See. And reason why I didn't want to drive this before, I didn't tell you guys anything about this, but I just didn't want to drive it because the exhaust would have been hot, and that would have not been fun to work with because I couldn't touch the exhaust then. I really don't like you. I really don't like you. Exhaust off! Okay, guys, I'm gonna get this dang exhaust off, and yeah. A couple of things that is not good. This and this is what is left with my exhaust cover. I'm scared that some of that fell in, and I dropped the bolt down in here. Which none of this is ever good. Why does this always happen? I ended up using a socket set to get out, but of course the socket set didn't work because I dropped the bolt. And I don't really want to. The whole thing right there is gonna have to come off. I'll be right back. Watch the ghost. That heater feels so nice. Just gonna look at this and see if I can see how to take it off. I think I'm doomed. Oh my goodness. That was how tight that bolt was. We're gonna take the gas tank off first. I'm gonna get a bottle ready. Bottle, if gas starts to come out. Right there. It is this bolt. By the way, I'm literally going without any tutorial. I just watched a video of where to get to it. And yeah, so that's what I'm kind of doing, is following along what I think is next. Hopefully this is good. I know where this goes. It's that, so I gotta somehow, does it just come up? Was there like another one? Oh my gosh, there's gas all over the car. It's that. Why is that gotta come off? That is a tiny bolt. See, if you guys have something broken, don't take it to the mechanic. Just do it yourself. This is also another really hard one to get off. Oh my gosh. That is how hard these bolts are. Why are they so hard? Goodness gracious. I didn't even think I got it. Fully out. I hope this is the bolt. I think it actually might be this one. Yeah, it's not this one. Well, let's just take this off. It's just a stupid loop. That thing. Okay, now we got that piece off, which the bolts, every bolt is still in it. I hope by the end of this. These. That was so risky. Goes here. Now, this has to come off. It's a loose one. Okay, the gas tank is getting looser. Okay, gas tank is out. Oh, frick nuggets. We need pliers. Is it like glued on or something? What the frick? There it is, there it is. We might not have to waste gas. No, we're gonna put it in this, just cause. Woohoo! What is in my gas tank? I see it! I found the bolt. Just goes in that. Accidentally bumped it. Look how bald my my engine is. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. There is gas everywhere. I didn't realize that I said it like that. Why? Like, how is there so much gas? Goodness. There's a ton of gas in there. Okay, what's next? My carburetor should be able to just come off now. That's the carburetor. Goes over there. Excuse me. Excuse me. This twist, that goes over there. Oh, shoot. This goes with my exhaust. I forgot about that. This goes with my carburetor. This goes with my gas tank. The other ones are right there, but this one would go right there. What was that? Okay, guys. This whole cover now needs to come off. I think it's the same as these, and these are the bolts that never want to loosen until you put all your strength and energy into it. No, I don't have all my energy. I never don't have energy. You gonna come off? Oh my goodness. I need that so bad. Look how wrecked this gasket is. I have to be this, and if it's any bigger. No! Half of these I gotta use flatheads to get out. Could you imagine? It's this size, but it's for sure not. Oh my gosh. I didn't look at my lefty goosies. Didn't work. One. Karate! Did it work? No, but I moved something. Fine. You wanted to get karate? Sweetie. Just come on. It's all my weight. I'm not using knives or anything, you dude. Come on. Like, I'm using tools. Every person uses these. So there's a bunch of oil and gas in my cut. It really hurts. Yep, it's ruined. I gotta take that off! It's not rocket science. Or rocket mechanic. Look at all these parts! Is it really? I found the cylinder? I found the cylinder. Okay. We have a big problem. How do I loosen that piece without taking this whole thing off? But how do I stop that piece from rotating without taking any of this off? Can I just like stick that right there and then try it? Oh my gosh, I'm a genius. There's nothing else my name could be except genius. I'm gonna put one of these bolts back in so it just stays up. Oh my gosh. I've never seen the insides of my engine. Just be quiet. Is that a bad head gasket? What is that? It's my spark plug. I found my spark plug. Wow. Wow. That's my head gasket. Now guys, I just want to show you something. Look how dirty my hands are. I'm just like, I don't even know. I'm just so dirty. Like everything's dirty. My heater, this is my setup. I got, oh, the camera's 11%. I'm actually gonna be back with a new video with putting all this back together. And you guys, I mean, you guys could use this as a tutorial, I guess. If you want a tutorial, just tell me. I'll make one. But like, look at all this. This isn't it, but like, look down in there. That's my cylinder, watch. Wee, wee, wee. See it? See how it's like moving? Ready? Okay, I can't do it like with this stupid thing. You guys saw it, just replay that. But yeah, here's my engine. This is that's the cylinder, I'm pretty sure. Most likely. This is where the carburetor goes. And, this is it. Look how, this whole piece is coming off right here. And, I don't know if this is a bad cylinder. What? No. Head gasket. But either way, I'm getting a new one. Just in case, you know. And like these, stick down in there. And do something, I guess. I guess that's just like how they go, like that, but through this. But I mean, if you guys have any tips, you can comment down below. Spectate this. My brother said it looked like it could add a leak. But yeah, that's what happens. But yeah, I'm gonna just kind of let this sit. And yeah, if you guys have any tips, I guess, I don't know. I don't need tips, but if you would like to share your tips, comment down below. And yeah, thank you guys so much for watching. I'll be back with a new video to get this freaking put all back together with a new one of these. I subscribe. Stay tuned for that new video. I don't even know what the title is going to be on this, but yeah, thank you guys so much for watching. Make sure to subscribe, and always remember, Jesus loves you. Peace. Where do I do it?